Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel Login Assist. In this guide video, I will show you how to check ELO on chase.com. First of all, open the chase.com application. In order to check the ELO, you'll have to go to your profile. Tap on your profile icon that you can see at top left corner of your screen. Once you do that, you'll be able to see your profile over here. Right over here, you can see the option for stats. Tap on the option View All that you can see on the screen. After that, you'll be able to see all of your stats like Rapid, Bullet, Blitz, etc. Like this, you'll be able to check ELO rating on chase.com. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel.